How do we transform the simple act of closing a cupboard door into a luxurious experience? By understanding how exquisite furniture feels in our hands and leaving nothing to chance. By making the impossible possible with tools that push the boundaries of our craft to its limits. By pooling our expertise so that we can reach new heights, both as a team and individually. By using only the best raw materials, ensuring the highest demands are met during the furniture's lifetime. By dissecting and refining every idea for as long as it takes to get the perfect result. By believing in bold visions and the realization that the glass is never empty.